Okay, for this class we are going to be designing this certificate and this certificate, but before we do that, we'll try to design this. I'll do this in this first class, and then in the second class we'll just design everything together and then insert this. So all we will be needing is just this image that looks like golden. And so first thing we want to do is to pick this start to, and then holding your control, you click and drag. Now this is what we've drawn, and then you see from here, you see sharpness, and then you come here, you discover at the point outside, so you increase the point, let's say 30, and then the sharpness you reduce it to your, like, let's say 4 should be okay. Let's just click 4. Okay, 4 is okay. Now, so having this, now we'll carry this, now we'll copy it and then paste. Now see, we have 2 of the image, so we are going to power clip the image into this place. So click and say power clip inside. To show you an arrow, you click here. I see it has power clipped it inside. So holding control, you left click twice or once to open, then you drag it to stretch it so to cover the star very well. I see we have this. Then if you notice, there is a black outline, so we'll click to remove the outline. Say no, don't want the outline. So we're done with the first step. Then the second step is to pick a circle, now an ellipse. Holding your shift again, your control rather, you click and drag, make sure it's small. Come inside here, I see control, select the both of them, centralize them, C, then press E, make sure they are the same, they are on the same plane. Now we want to give this ellipse a gradient color. So easy way to do that, you just press your F11 on your keyboard, and then it will show you something like this. A little screen will pop up. So if you notice, you are seeing black here and then probably here white. That's because it's coming from black to white. You don't want it like that. You want to be an ellipse this style, like something like this, and this is what we want. So we'll click on this first black. We don't want that black color. We'll click, and this is the eyedropper. Come here, you pick this color from the gold in, and then you notice it has changed and the inside is still white. So you come here, you click on the white, then click, you get to use the eyedropper again, and then you pick this one that looks yellowish, and you have something like this, and then you say okay. Now you are seeing what we are saying, this is it. So okay, now you notice it still has an outline and we don't want it. Remove the outline. Now we are getting close. So the next thing we want to do is to add a shadow, and then we'll come here to add a shadow. Click on the shadow, and then you come to this side, this other side, just go to small glow, click. It will have, if you notice, it came out with a shadow, but the shadow is not black, so you change the color to dark black, very black, and then you see, then you reduce the fader to something, let's say 4. Now then you group them. This is what we want to use for that. Forgot what we want. Now you see it's having the same style and the same everything. So that's that for this class. The next class I'll be showing you how to design this full certificate. Thank you for this class, and have a blessed time.